Oh, hi there, and welcome to the Stamp Cave. Today we are going through a big box with stamps with several lots in, and see what's inside it. Let's see what this is. This would be a package with Finland. This looks like Finland 2. And looks like a lot of ordinary stuff. $100 different from Scandinavian. And here's a stamp album with Greenland and Faroe. Oh, it's a stock book. Someone had to. There's a lot of stamps. There is a small stock book, Czechoslovakia. Looks like it's Czechoslovakia all the way through. These stamps are very nice. Russia, Georgia. Karelia, the Finnish part, which was included in Russian. Sudan, Spanish Guinea. There are several pages there. More Sudan, the camel post rider. Southern Rhodesia, West Africa, Swaziland, Sierra Leone, Stockholmia block with specimen med print on specimen. Ja. And this looks like United States. 74 pieces. And here we have some various Portuguese stuff. And Greek. Österreich. Poland and Czechoslovakia. It looks like it's space stamps. And here are ships on stamps. The Pope, Poland, envelope with the Pope on. For a various scout. There's some Red Cross from Thailand, International Red Cross Conference, Romania, Finland, Chile, Thailand, Switzerland. I don't think we're going to see through all of this, but we can it's an incredible amount of stamps. Not the most interesting, I think. Another box with stamps. Togo. Österreich. And here it says Austria, Österreich. Holy moly. Soviet in bags. Third, South and Middle America. Belgium. Looks like first day cover. Japan. Holland, Netherlands, China, Indian, UN, here are some good stuff, I think. There's the Norwegian stamp with the postmark from Bergen, various post office in Bergen. Switzerland, Turkey, Swaziland, Spain, Ifini, Soviet, Finland, Holland. It's a lot. Republic of South Africa, Spain. It's insane. Poland. So, what can this be? Looks like it's several different countries. Australia, Belgium, most ordinary stamp. But even ordinary stamps, you can find stamps with good cancellation or postmarks. So even if it looks like very ordinary stuff, you have to go through it and see if there are something interesting. Stamps. Jersey. Looks like a homemade album pages for Jersey. Interesting. And here we have so for Cinderella's julmarker, Christmas stamps, Swedish stamps from 1978, year map. I don't collect this, so this will be, I have to sell this. I have a lot of stuff like this. It says Middle and South America. This is a separate lot, and here is one more separate lot. Look at that later. France, Czechia, Austria. Would be nice if there was the Austrian stamp with the birds, but that is maybe to hope for too much. A lot of the lovely ladies. More Austria, newer stamps. Netherlands and Belgium, it says. Jersey, Belgium. Switzerland and Liechtenstein. France. A lot of stamps. UN. First day covers, UN. Who collect them? Holy moly. And here we have a lot of miniature sheets and souvenir sheets. North Korea. So at least we have an old Harris album. I have had several of these before. Here's looks like it's reasonable, filled up with stamps. So this was really a lot of stamps, a huge lot of stamps to go through. And I will use several days, weeks, months to go through this. And something I never will go through. It just will be sold as is. But this is fun. This is real fun. This is I look really forward to dive into this and maybe share with you later what's in the different boxes. Now we have been through the whole box roughly, and what's left for me now is to take the different parts of the lot and go through it and see what's really in it, what's it's hiding, where the value is and where the interesting thing is. And I really look forward to it, but it will take time. It will take a lot of time, and but finally I will be there, go through it, and I hope to share with you what's in it, and just follow these videos. I will try to make some with more stamps and stamp related, and we'll see what happens. So stay stampy, enjoy, and subscribe.